Welcome to a new episode, Crypto Mining and AI Research Funding. Welcome to another World Miners session. You're all invited to access our platform, install our application, become part of our community. Follow World Miner on social media, X, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or Medium. Visit our website to start your World Miner journey on worldminer.io if you want to know more details about the project. Our World Miner app is available for download on App Store or Google Play. If you are interested in becoming a member of our Telegram communities, join us at our Telegram channels, World Miner Global, World Miner Brazil, or World Miner Bulgaria. As World Miner, we believe that blockchain mining should no longer be a privilege of the few, and everyone should have the access to its benefits in the future digital economy. Regardless of location or wealth, everyone should have the equal opportunity to participate and gain. We think that only together we can move toward a more inclusive, sustainable, and transparent future. That is the reason why World Miner strategically works with WorldCoin to shape the future of cryptocurrency together, to address the regulatory gaps in WorldCoin's global market within OpenAI's grand vision, enhancing its reach and influence. We trust in the market potential of our coin, ATM, that was developed to provide computing power that helps to fill the gaps left by WorldCoin, offering a substantial market opportunity. User can acquire computing power at low cost, earn returns from both WorldCoin and WorldMiner. WorldMiner and WorldCoin both aimed at OpenAI's core initiative, has both developed a robust cryptocurrency financial ecosystem. Their market education, promotion, and technical support are top tier, demonstrating strong capabilities. WorldMiner addresses the biometric policy barrier faced by WorldCoin in its global expansion by offering an unrestricted registration and participation platform for users across multiple countries. This move injects new momentum into WorldCoin's market value growth. With WorldMiner's global promotion, both WorldCoin and ATM values are expected to rise. WorldMiner introduces a staking mining model that eliminates the need for expensive equipment. User can stake a certain number of tokens to receive computing power allocation, enable participation in mining, and earning rewards. Compared to traditional mining, staking mining significantly lowers entry barriers and reduces equipment and maintenance costs. The ATM token, positioned alongside WorldCoin, is currently undervalued. However, with the expansion of the project and increased application, that is expected to rise substantially, offering strong investment potential. WorldMiner provides not only basic staking mining returns, but also offer additional rewards through various incentive programs and activities. By participating in staking reward programs and computing power competition on the platform, user can earn extra returns, further boosting the gains. So join WorldMiner today to shape your digital future with us. So, interesting topic, cryptocurrency mining for AI research funding. Cryptocurrency mining, once primarily associated with the validation of blockchain transaction and earning digital currencies, is increasingly finding its role in the world of artificial intelligence. In research, both AI and cryptocurrency mining are deeply connected through their reliance on computing power, specialized hardware, primarily GPUs, graphics processing units, that plays a significant role in both fields. As AI research continues to evolve and requires significant financial backing, some organization, institution, and individual have started exploring alternative methods to funding the research. One of these alternative approaches is leveraging the computational resources and the financial gains from cryptocurrency mining. They are particularly appealing in situations where traditional funding mechanisms, such as grant, VC, venture capital, or institutional backing are difficult to obtain. So in this section, we will explore how the cryptocurrency mining is utilized for AI research funding, looking at the processes involved, the benefits, the challenges, some examples, and overall the impact of this innovative approach. The cryptocurrency mining in the process of validating and verifying transactions on a blockchain network. Miners use high-powered computing system to solve that complex computergraphic puzzles, and in return, they are rewarded with cryptocurrency tokens. This process not only ensures the integrity of the blockchain, but it also incentivizes miners to contribute their computing resources to the network. That is so important. So the verification process is intensive computing and requires a significant amount of power and specialized hardware. So normally mining operates on a proof of work consensus mechanism, which demand high computational power, particularly from the GPUs, and in some cases, the application-specific integrated circuits. And these devices optimize for parallel processing tasks that mining requires. And that is also similar in processing in AI applications. So the synergy between mining and AI led to innovative funding strategies where the profit from mining operations are directed toward AI research initiatives. And AI research, particularly in areas such as deep learning, neural networks, demands extensive computing power. So this training large AI models, runs simulations, performs data analysis, and takes significant amounts of time and power. So with the rising cost of such resources, researchers have sought new ways to fund their work. And one of them is cryptocurrency mining. And there is different ways they are connected. So for example, the computational synergies, both cryptocurrency mining and AI requires similar type of hardware. The monetization of idle hardware. In AI research, there are often periods when the resources, the computing power resources are idle. And that is specifically outside of regular research hours, working hours. So instead of leaving it unused, then researchers or institutions can run cryptocurrency mining operations during these downtimes. So their revenue generating from mining then can be reinvesting into AI research projects, funding new experiments, hardware upgrades, or operational costs. In some cases, organizations set up dedicated mining operations to generate a consistent source of revenue. And these mining operations can run either in-house or through their partnership with external mining farms. So the cryptocurrency earned is then converted into traditional currency or reinvested into the AI research. That provides that new decentralized source of funding that doesn't rely on the traditional grant system or venture capital funding. In addition to using mining for funding, some researchers are exploring how the blockchain technology itself will be integrated with AI for decentralized AI platforms like SingularityNet that also allows participants to use their mining to contribute to the computing power for AI tasks. That enables cryptocurrency while also advance the AI research. And there are several benefits to using cryptocurrency mining as the funding source for AI research. And these advantages makes it an attractive option for research teams, particularly those facing financial constraints, or like to have the independence from traditional VC funding. And the traditional funding sources, such as the government grants, academic funding, or venture capital, are difficult to secure and takes a lot of conditions or limitations and can be a long process to obtain. So the cryptocurrency mining is that alternative for a decentralized, faster way of funding. Or when they're utilizing the AI research hardware that is expensive and also often sits very idle and not used for training models, then the cryptocurrency mining allows the research teams to monetize their hardware by running mining operations during downtime. A win-win situation. One of the significant advantages that the cryptocurrency mining as a funding source is that it's non-dilutive. I mean, in traditional funding models, specifically with venture capital, the organization or research teams may need to give up equity or control in the research in exchange for the funding. But cryptocurrency mining allows researchers to generate funds without giving up any of their IP, intellectual property, equity, or any control in the project. And cryptocurrency mining operations are scalable based on available resources. So they have access to large amounts of computing power. They can scale up mining operations and generate significant revenue. So blockchain-based AI platforms such as Fetch AI, Singularity, etc. They allow researchers to combine both cryptocurrency mining with their AI development. And that makes it very interesting. And it lowers the entry barriers because the cryptocurrency mining serves as a funding mechanism for these AI researchers in regions as well where there's limited access to traditional funding resources. So, because in traditional funding methods, many require researchers to navigate the complex bureaucracies of access networks of the investors. And some of that will maybe not be available in certain regions. So the cryptocurrency mining is decentralized, accessible anywhere, and with the required hardware and internet connection, lowers the entry barriers to securing funding. That makes it a win-win for the researchers. But there are obviously a lot of benefits, but it's also a lot of challenges that needs to be addressed to be successful in this part. And one of them, obviously, is the energy consumption and the cost related to that. Specifically, when you run proof of work cryptocurrencies, that requires substantial amounts of electricity, like Bitcoin. That leads to higher energy bills, which reduce the profitability of mining and in turn the amount of funding available for the research AI projects. So where the electricity is expensive, maybe it's not a viable funding option. But where it's cheap, obviously, it's a great place. And the market volatilities. I mean, cryptocurrency fluctuate widely during market speculation, regulatory changes, or technological developments or challenges. So it can be hard to predict how much mining revenue will be allocated for the specific research project. And obviously, we have the hardware wear and tear. And that, particularly, specifically the GPUs that are used for AI research as well, they need to continuously maintain the mining rigs that can lead to overheating, increased wear, or shortened lifespan for the hardware. And that can lead to higher maintenance costs and the regulatory risks. Because different parts of the world, there is different regulatory that has to be followed regarding this, not to do any illegal activities. AI research team may face the opportunity cost when choosing to focus on crypto mining as the specific funding source. So you have to divert the attention away from the core research activity. And that may be needs to be balanced because the activity of the research with the primary focus of advancing AI technologies and with the productivity of the innovation with the mining. So it needs to be balanced in a way that it doesn't affect either of. And there is many different ways to do this. And for example, the Singularity Net, that is a decentralized AI platform that combines both blockchain A and AI technologies and Fetch AI. But the platform of Singularity Net allows participants both to contribute computing power and algorithms of AI to a decentralized marketplace. So the mining on the platform is rewarded with AGI tokens that can be used to access AI services or traded for other cryptocurrencies. So this model enables researchers and developers to fund specific artificial intelligence projects by contributing to the network's computing power while earning cryptocurrency. The other one, Fetch AI, it also integrates AI and blockchain technologies. And that one allows participants to use mining to power a decentralized AI network where autonomous agents interact and perform the tasks. The miners are rewarded with Fetch AI tokens, which can be used to access AI services on the platform or traded on cryptocurrency exchanges. And this model incentivizes both mining and AI development, providing a source of funding for AI research. That is very interesting. There is some academic institution that has explored utilizing cryptocurrency mining to fund their AI research initiatives. While the approach is less common due to high energy cost and hardware wear, it has been tested as a creative funding solution in some cases. And mining farms that support AI startups. And they have then partnered with specific AI startups to provide the funding, meaning that mining farms will has the access to large amounts of computing power and low-cost electricity, can generate significant profit, and that can be used to invest in AI research and development. And these partnerships provide the AI startups with source of funding without have to go the traditional VC route or grants. And the intersection of cryptocurrency mining and AI research is still in the early stages, but there is a great potential and growth in this innovation. As they both evolve, we will see a lot of new models and technologies evolve from both the integration of mining and AI development. Some of them that has come to fruition is the green mining solution, because the environment impact that traditional cryptocurrency has occurred, there has come a lot of new initiatives working to develop that greener mining solution, like WorldMiner, by using renewable energy sources like solar, wind, or hydroelectric power. This green mining solution reduce the energy cost associated with mining, make it more viable and environmental sustainable funding source for AI research. That is a great approach. And the optimized algorithms that is utilized for cryptocurrency mining operation. The machine learning algorithms then analyze mining patterns, predicts the most profitable cryptocurrency to mine, and adjust hardware settings in real time to maximize efficiency. This AI-driven optimization could make mining more profitable and provide even more funding for AI research. Or tokenized AI services, where the blockchain platform combines mining with AI, create tokenized AI services that participants can earn cryptocurrency by contributing different AI tasks. And the decentralized AI marketplaces, because the concept of decentralized AI marketplaces is that where not only participants can contribute, they can trade AI models, algorithms, computing power, and gaining traction. And in these places, these marketplaces, mining operations could provide a backbone for the computing infrastructure, while the researchers earn cryptocurrency by contributing their AI expertise. So these decentralized models could democratize AI development and create that new funding opportunities for researchers worldwide. So an interesting article that was on the block.co is related to this specific subject. TeraWulf sells $92 million stake in nuclear-powered Bitcoin mine to fund AI diversification. So what they did is that TeraWulf sold a 25% stake in their Nautilus CryptoMine joint venture to a subsidiary of Talon Energy Corporation for $92 million. That Bitcoin miner intends to reinvest the capital into construction at its facilities in New York that focusing hosting HPC AI data centers. And they just, TeraWulf, completed a 2 megawatt HPC AI proof of concept project in their facility. And that is designed to support current and next generation of GPU technology. It also constructing a 20 megawatt liquid cooled co-location building at the site. And that one is expected to be operational in 2025. So their decision to monetize comes ahead of the expiration of a power contract and ground lease they have to June 2027. So they want to take the advantage of superior cost efficiency and lower expected future energy prices at their locations. So TeraWulf is one of the Bitcoin mining rivals like Iron and Core Scientific is also looking how to diversify their operation in favor of AI data center to hope to capture on the new wave of demand from emerging sector while damping the volatility of the exposure just to Bitcoin. But not everybody does this because others looking into cheaper way to do mining of Bitcoin, for example, in the bull runs. So it's a balance act between these competitors, and it's an interesting field to look at where they're going to go with in the future. Only Bitcoin mining or focus totally on AI, artificial intelligence, mining services. So WealthMiner is that innovative staking mining platform that operates today. And we combine both blockchain technology with artificial intelligence. And our staking system allows various staking options depending on your budget. So what is staking? Well, staking is the process of locking cryptocurrency assets for a predetermined amount of time in order to support a blockchain's operation. So staking your cryptocurrency earns you additional cryptocurrency. Many blockchains use proof of stake, where users stake predetermined amounts of cryptocurrency to support the blockchain by confirming their first transaction and generate new blocks. In WealthMiner, you enjoy 4 different staking mining methods. And the first one is dual coin mining that starts the whole process on our platform because it's a dual coin mining process and we are creating a new financial ecosystem. So how does it work? Well, you invest minimum into the platform 100 USDT in the value of 70% USDT and 30% of SAM seed token, that is World Miner seed token, to start the mining process. The principal will generate for you every 24 hours World Coin and World Miner coins in the same 70-30% ratio. That daily output is automatically transferred into your wallet as once it's been generated. And it has 4 different modalities. Precision mining that start at 7 days, give you 0.7% daily profit output, and the minimum staking is 70 USDT and 30 SAM. The second option is 30 days. That gives you 1% daily output, where the minimum staking is 210 USDT and 90 SAM tokens. Then we have the 90 days that gives you 1.2% daily WorldCoin and World Miner tokens output from your staking process. And the last one is 180 days that gives you 1.5% in the ratio 70% WorldCoin and 30% World Miner. So now starting with 2, generated 4. But in our platform, after you stake and given the rewards of World Miner tokens, that is our computing token in our platform, you then stake your World Miner tokens that has been generated from the dual coin mining to generate ATM coins. The ATM coins is our token, and it is traded on the secondary market. You lock in period of 10 days, and you generate 1 daily % profit from in ATM coins. The third option in our platform is very interesting because you stake either WorldCoin or the ATM token you now have in your platform, or both if you prefer. You get 1.5% daily profit on the same coin for a lockup period of 10 days. But if you decide to restake again after that 10-day period for another 10-day period, the platform will grant you 0.5% extra for the following period. And this restaking process can be done until you reach a maximum of 5% daily reward. Bear in mind that the accumulated output percentage in this method is bound to each independent staking process that you started. And easier, our last staking method. You can either stake WorldCoin or World Miner coins, or both, but only a lockup of 24 hours. And it gives you 0.7% daily output of either WorldCoin or the same new stock or World Miner coins. So install the World Miner app today and begin your journey with World Miner. So let's wrap up today's session. Cryptocurrency mining presents a novel and decentralized approach to funding any AI research. By leveraging the computing overlap between mining and artificial intelligence, researchers and organizations can generate revenue to support their work, maximize hardware utilization, and create that scalable funding model. However, not without challenges. That includes energy consumption, market volatility, hardware wear and tear, and regulatory risks. But as both fields continue to evolve, innovative solutions such as green mining, AI-driven optimization, and the decentralized AI platform will likely further strengthen the relationship between cryptocurrency mining and artificial intelligence research. And it gives that mechanism for a promising alternative for researchers seeking independence from traditional funding sources in this field. The convergence of cryptocurrency mining and AI development presents that novel and mutually beneficial dynamic. By repurposing mining infrastructure to support AI computing and energy needs, both sectors can address their respective challenges. Bitcoin miners can generate additional revenue from surplus energy, but AI companies can gain access to cost-effective and reliable electricity. So decentralized blockchain solutions offer that way to democratize access to AI resources, reduce dependence on centralized cloud providers. However, bear in mind environmental and regulatory challenges that faces both industries must be addressed in a sustainable way for further growth. And that concludes our topic for today. I would like to thank everybody for joining. My name is Ola Johannes Lind, the CEO in the technical development of the ATM. I hope to see you in our next session. Thank you for today.